This is type 3 type of entry, whereby the market will only sweep your inducement, then without tapping on your supply zone, then you just enter, all right, using more confirmation on a lower time frame. Let's say that this is your move, all right? The market is going up, pushing down, then going up, all right? So this is your first break of structure, then this is your first inducement. So let's say that the market is here, and this is your break of structure, right? This is your break of structure. Then the first pullback, it's your inducement, okay? This becomes your inducement. This is your inducement. And this inducement, it's just the market happy to sweep, all right? Just happy to sweep. Let's say that it looks something like this. Something like this. Just a sweep, okay? So maybe your supply zone is just down here. But sometimes market does not come to a supply zone because the reason is the supply zone is just another confirmation, but the main thing in the market is the inducement. So if your market will come and sweep this low, then on this shadow of taking out the liquidity or the inducement, this is where you look for an entry, right? This is where you look for an entry, then, or something like that, then you focus on the upper side. So I want to show you something on I want us to look at this, the Euro USD, our high time frame. We're using the 1 hour to analyze, then you're going to look for entries on a 5 minutes time frame. I hope I'm clear enough. There's a lot of noise in my background, some kids playing outside, but let's see. Right, so when you look at this chart, okay, this Euro USD has been so bearish for a minute, all right, for a long time. It's been pushing down. And if this market has been pushing down, obvious the trend line sellers, all right, the trend line sellers, they have been they've been putting in a lot of liquidity for a long time, and we know very well that we have the stop loss on the buyers on this side. Then on sellers, the stop losses are on this side. So you know that this market, it's either going up or going down, right? So it's collecting money in both sides. So what you're going to do with this, what you're going to do with this kind of market is just to analyze and look at how the market is going, because we just don't look for structure. So this was the low. This was the low that market came, all right? Just want to make my chart more visible. This was the low that market came. And this was the first break of structure on this leg, all right? So this was the first break of structure, the first boss, and when it was taken out, we need to confirm the high, the previous high. So where was the inducement? Where the most recent pullback that we had was this one, all right? So this one. This was the most recent pullback that the market gave us. And I apologize for the noise on my background. I just can't stop them. So this is the sweep. The market happened to sweep. There's a previous high. So if it happened to sweep that high, so the change of character is not confirmed. So we need to see the market closing the candle, as you can see right here. The market happened to close. So this is a valid, valid change of character. Then this is just a liquidity sweep, just to make it clear so that it can be visible. So look at this market. We need again inducement for us to buy. Was the first pullback on this leg? You can see the market happened to go up like this, up, pull back up. So this is the most recent pullback on that leg. So what do we do? This is the most recent pullback. If this market sweep this low or takes out this inducement, we will do what? We will buy. But where's the order block? If you have to buy on the order block, you only have this one, right? This is the first order block. This is the first order block, and the one at the extreme, we don't have anything else. Everything is mitigated on the lower zone, unless this market sweeps this low, because you can see that there's some trend line liquidity here. If this market will come on those zones, then there's an additional advantage, all right? But for us, we are focusing on the first pullback. We want the market to sweep or close below in the first pullback, then we can look for entry. So let's see where the market will come to. If it gives us another break of structure, another inducement, then well and good. So it's coming in our zone, right? It's approaching our zone. And as you can see right here, this market happened to sweep, all right? To sweep our low. It swept. So you are supposed to come on this lower time frame and look for confirmation to buy, all right? Because we're looking forward to buy. And actually this type 2 entry, not type 3. This type 2, guys, sorry. So this type 2, man, sorry. So this type 2, not type 3. This type 2, entry, this type 2 entry. So or on this one, we go to the lower time frame and look for type 2. The market will close. Type 2 is when the market closes with the candle, okay? It closes like this with the candle, but does not touch your supply zone or your, does not touch in any zone. So the market will just close with the candle. So here it has swept that low. So if it has swept that low, we want to see again if this market is going with the close with the candle. You can see trying to react on that zone, all right? Going down and just still playing. You want it to close with the candle, okay? All right, so it has closed with the candle just below our supply zone. So we want to go to the lower time frame and look for a buy, okay? So we're going to 5 minutes. That's the time of entry, right? On the 1 hour, if your high time frame if your high time frame is what? If your high time frame is the 1 hour, then your entry is on 5 minutes. So this is where the market is as for now, as you can see. It only closed the candle. So, but if you look at this on the left, definitely we did not have any order block on the high time frame. So we will see this is just a liquidity sweep. But now we need more confirmation, okay? This is just a liquidity sweep, but you are not buying here or selling here because definitely the market's now bullish, but we need more confirmation. What do we need? You need something like this. Want this market to go up, all right? Break this structure. This will become a change of character. Then you want it to create an inducement, all right? So people will buy here to be taken out. Then the market has to come down, right, to a point of interest, a supply zone. Then we can push up the zone. So this level should act, this one should act as a level of inducement, level of level of inducement, right? Inducement, something like that. Or if it sweep this inducement, then we need to sell or to buy on a single candle order block. And this previous high is just our change of character. That becoming our change of character, then this can be our supply zone, all right? A demand zone where we can buy from. So that's just the idea. But let's see what the market will do, okay? So I'll push the button. I want to see the market, what it's going to do next. Okay, it's trying to push down. If it goes up, it breaks that first high. That's the change of character. That proves to us that the market want to keep it has decided to change direction. It want to go up. So this is our change of character. This is our change of character. And there's the inducement. The inducement is here. The first pullback. Oh man, there's no inducement here. So let's see. Want to get a good inducement, and you can see what the market is doing. Market is just playing around. And what is it doing? What's the inducement? This is have this candle, this is the low. Where is the inducement? All right, these candles, they have the equal highs. So the first one, the less broken. So this will be our act as our inducement, all right? This will act as our inducement. This will act as our inducement. And where is the candle with the imbalance? Look at this, the first candle. This is the first candle. This candle it happened to sweep this low, right? just sweep that low. I'll show you. Right, tap into sweep that low, as you can see. Then we are looking for a candle, a order block with imbalance. This is the first candle. This is the first candle that I swept that low. That's the candle, right? I want it to be a closed. I want it to be a closed line, right? That's the low. These two. All right, then the low is this one. Then where's the next? The next candle, because the imbalance is always on the second candle. This was the low of it. Then where's the high? The high is here. All right, the third candle is the low of the third candle here. All right, and the high is here. So where's the imbalance? The imbalance is here. Let me show you. Imbalance is between this candle here and this. Here we have an imbalance. This candle here, the red candle, you know, that candle is an inside bias just for there to distract you. So you can see this is where the imbalance is. This means our order block is this one. See this candle, because it has the imbalance, this one. So market tapping on that order block, you're just supposed to buy, all right? This is where I'll put my buy limit. Then my stop loss just below the zone. Okay, right there. Then I'm going to target the 1 hour high. Go to high time frame zone. We want to see where's the high of that market. Where's the high? Where's the high? Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the high that you're going to target. This one. That's where we are targeting, because that's the high that we have. Break of structure, where's that thing? This is where we're going to target, right? Let me just go to 15 minutes. I just want to see the market very well, right? This is where we're targeting. So let's go to the 5 minutes and see what the market is doing, and it might give us another entry again. So I'm gonna lock this one so that it does not move. Okay. What do we do here? Before you place your order limits, let's say that the market is here. Sorry, the market is here. They are coming to your zone. So this is the place you're waiting to buy the market from. So you have your sell, your buy limit, then your orders activated. And if the candle close above this candle, that's the single candle order block, then you can sell. You can as well buy on that. So let's see if it gives us the single candle order block. When the candle to go above, right? When the candle to close above, let's see. When the candle to close above this candle. So I just keep pushing the button. There we go. The market has just closed above, and this is our single candle order block. You can see. So, and the low is here. All right. How many pips are these from here to this? Around 4 pips. Around 4 pips. So I'll put my buy limit here, just here. Right here, and my stop loss again, I just put below the zone because the market might push down. In fact, I need to put below this zone. No, this line. So my stop loss should be below this line, because that is the low that the market can come to. There, right? So just get rid of this one. Okay, again, I'll target, where am I going to target? The 1 hour high. The high time frame. That's where I'm targeting. So guys, this is the type 2 entry where the market is not tapping the supply zone, but it's taking out the inducement. All right, so that's where we're targeting again, and we're going again back to the 5 minutes time frame to see what the market is doing. I think those 2 positions are enough, and we can only put at break even once the market closes above this high. All right, this high, we put our entries on stop loss on break even, I mean. So let's see what the market do next. We'll do next. Okay. So I'm going to lock this one as well. So let's see. Let's see what the market will do. If it will come, but I want this market. The first trade is activated, but the second one it's not. So I want the market to come down here, right? So already it is down because this is the high. They have the candle. And you can see the next candle came in our zone. So this trade is activated already. The second trade is activated. So let's see. Let's see if the market will push up. See, tempting to push up. Okay, coming to our zone. Sorry, the trade is coming to our zone, and as you can see, sorry, as you can see right here, again the market just gave you another break of structure. Which one? This is an inducement. Sorry, this is an inducement. Where's the supply zone? Here there's no entry. Sorry, but you can see the market is now pushing up, attempting to push up. Going up, and let's go to high time frame so that we can wait our market on the high time frame and see we're getting a stop loss and let me show you something. Sorry, just forgot something. Once the market breaks the first structure, if you can see this first structure, this one. Sorry, let me just use a straight line. This level. If the market breaks this high, you put your trade at break even, all right? Just place your trade at break even so that you don't lose you need to protect your account. So let's see, this is how the market looks on the highly time frame, 1 hour time frame, and we want to see what the market is doing. That's our high we're targeting. Let's see if you hit a stop loss, you make it. So the market is attempting to push up and down and it's trapping everyone. Look at this, and it's going down and it's going up, I mean, and we need to hit our TP as soon as possible. This is how you enter your trade. This is how you handle your trades. Let's see what it does. And there we go. We hit our TP. TP is done. My TP is done, as you can see. If I can do this and show you, the TP is done. And see, that's how you capture the move on type 2 Henry. This is what I wanted to show you guys, and I hope someone has received the knowledge or gotten what I was trying to say. This was our high, and that is type 2 Henry. Type 1 was posted, and I think I'm going to post type 3 Henry, whereby the market now sweeps the inducement only and it goes up. So this type 2 Henry, kindly subscribe, share, and comment if you like. Otherwise, thank you guys. Thank you so much. So this is your boy, Mr. FX. And this is what I do. You can follow me on TikTok as well, Mr. FX. And this is how I look at the market, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.